Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I am excited to show you a beautiful and easy dye Easter and jar centerpiece ideas. These centerpieces are perfect for your dining tables, coffee table, or side table. They are simple, fun, and bring a festive Easter feeling to your home. Whether you are hosting your family dinners or just decorating for spring, these jar centerpieces are a great way to make your home look colorful and cheerful. Materials, viewers. First, let's think about with what you need. You will need weavers, weavers, and small Easter egg or candies. Clear glass jar for any size. Decorate grass, moss, or paper. Fresh or artificial flowers, ribbon, prints, or lace optional. Small figures, fairy lights, or stickers. All of these are easy to find and you can mix and match color to fit your style. Step 1. Fill a jar. Start with a clear glass jar. Add decorative grass, moss, or shadow papers at the bottom. This will keep your centerpiece texture and a natural feel. Next, place a small Easter eggs, candies, even tiny figures on a top. You can choose pastel colors like pink, blue, yellow, green for a fresh spring look. Try mix different size for vertical. It's make the centerpiece look more interesting. Add flowers. Step 2. After filling the jar, add flowers to give it life and color. You can use fresh flowers like tulips or daisy dolls or artificial flower if you want it to last longer. Arrange the flowers so they peek out of the jar naturally. You can also add small swing or greenery for extra texture. These steps make your jar look elegant, cheerful, and perfect for Easter. Decorate the jar. Now it's time to decorate the outside of the jar. Tie a ribbon or lace around the top. You can also add small stickers, mint, or even tiny charm. This little detail make the jar look personal and festive. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The charm of handmade decoration is in its uniqueness. Display ideas. Once your jar are ready, you can place them on your table. Use one jar as a simple centerpiece or group 2 or 3 jars together for a modern decorative look. You can mix jars of different height contrast. They also look beautiful with candles placement or a spring table runner. These jar centerpieces are easy, foldable, and make your home feel festive. For Easter extra tip are here are some extra tips. Use pastel color for a soft spring look. Add fairy lights inside the jar for a magical touch. Use different jar shape to make it more creative. Try filling jar with candies for a fun and believe centerpiece and weavers. Place your jar on a wooden table, tray, or table runner. You can Stay 2 or 4 jar together and full of look add candles or very large around the jar for extra warm and glowing. These rustic jar centerpieces are simple forever and perfect for cozy Easter atmosphere. And weavers add small flowers. Drink to the jar. You can use fresh flower for a vibrant spring look, artificial flower for long-lasting decoration, even tiny leaves or herbs. Look, rosemary or can give it a natural earthly tones. And weavers and friends, fill jar with pastel colors, candies, chocolates, or jelly beans. Layer candies by colors for a rainbow effect. Decorate the jar with Easter theme or ribbon. Add a small tag, Happy Easter, or treat yourself. Video angels, sweet and festive Easter centerpiece everyone will love. And viewers, so friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy this video, like, share, and subscribe for more creative Easter ideas. This canned friendly jars